What do you need to know about an injunction bond? Injunction bond defined. This surety bond provides a guarantee to the defendant against any damages he or she may sustain should the court dismiss the plaintiff's lawsuit and protects the defendant from being unlawfully accused. An injunction bond instructs the plaintiff to indemnify a defendant against foreseeable damage he or she may sustain as the result of an injunction. Who are the parties involved in this bond? In an injunction bond, the plaintiff is the party required to obtain the bond, while court is the obligee. The bonding firm that issues the bond is the surety. Is collateral needed for this bond? Collateral is often required for injunction bonds. Underwriters will usually look at the size of the bond as well as the client's financial ability to pay the bond if they don't prevail in the lawsuit. How much does an injunction bond cost? With full collateral, typically, the cost of an injunction bond is around 1 to 2% of the total bond. On the other hand, if we are able to approve the bond without collateral, the cost of the bond will be slightly higher. Here is an example of an injunction bond in action. Sunshine Beer is running a successful beer brewery business and is enjoying a virtual monopoly of the beer market in Iowa. However, an enterprising businessman decided that it is time for Sunshine Beer to have a competition and have a slice of the pie. But Sunshine Beer has established a solid foothold in the local market, and it would be tough to compete with it head-on. The businessman decided to use the name Sunny Beer and use a logo and company slogan very similar to that of Sunshine Beer. Sunshine Beer then went to court to stop its business competitor, Sunny Beer, from marketing a product using a name or slogan to which the plaintiff claims exclusive rights. Sunshine Beer must post a preliminary injunction bond upon the filing of the lawsuit to demand that Sunny Beer stops all its action and to use its name, slogan, or logo. Are you in need of an injunction bond? Surety Bond Authority is your one-stop source for all of your bonding requirements. Call us at 800-333-7800 and let our competent and friendly staff guide you. You can also visit our website and get your free quote today.